Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Phrozen ARCO FDM 3D printer. Meeting the ARCO. Hey everyone, I'm so excited to finally show you this. We've been hearing whispers about it since Formnext, the ARCO. Now, Phrozen is legendary for their resin printers, but this is their very first move into the world of FDM. If you've ever looked at a 3D printer and thought, that looks too complicated, this script is for you. This machine is all about making big, fast, colorful projects feel easy, even if you're just starting out. Stability, built like a tank. The first thing I noticed when I unboxed this is how solid it feels. It's a big, serious machine, but it's designed to be smart. Phrozen basically pushed all the weight down into a low-gravity base and sat the whole thing on 4 thick aluminum stands. Think of it like a professional camera tripod. It's anchored. Why does that matter for a beginner? Because a steady printer means you don't get those weird, wobbly lines on your prints. It's built to give you a win on your very first try. Speed, saving you hours. Let's talk about the fast lane. Usually, 3D printing is a test of patience, but the ARCO is up to 12 times faster than the traditional printers many of us started on. It can hit speeds of 1,000 millimeters per second, especially when paired with high-flow CHT nozzles and high-speed setting, which is honestly incredible. But here's the best part. It's not just fast and massive. Because of that stable frame we talked about, it keeps your corners sharp and your layers clean even when it's flying through a job. The fun part, multicolor made easy. This is where it gets really creative. See this box? Instead of constant loading and unloading, its 4-tube direct feed design speeds up color changes by up to 50%, keeping multicolor prints smoother and interruptions to a minimum. That's the Chroma Kit. It lets you load up 4 different colors at once, and the printer swaps them out automatically while it works. You use their software called Phrozen Orca. It is a special version cooked up by Phrozen and Orca. It's a smooth, stable connection with ARCO and Chroma Kit, plus full support you can count on. Just click and assign your colors. It's very straightforward. Reliability. No more jams. One thing that usually scares beginners is the jam, especially if you want to print something soft and squishy, like TPU for a phone case. The ARCO has this patented cooling system that's tucked right up against the gears. It keeps the plastic flowing perfectly, so you don't have those frustrating under-extrusion hiccups. It basically takes the guesswork out of using different materials. Space. Think big. Finally, you've got a massive 300mm cube of space here. That means you aren't stuck making tiny trinkets. You can print a full-sized cosplay helmet, a big storage organizer, or even a dozen smaller parts, all in one go. It's a machine that grows with your imagination. Is it for you? If you want a machine that's fast, stable, and doesn't require a degree in engineering to get beautiful, colorful results, the ARCO is a really confident first step. I can't wait to see what you guys make with it. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.